Welcome friends. Let's solve the page numbering in MS Word. Now we are on the screen and you can see that the document is having landscape and portrait both pages. So I double click in header and footer and insert, then page numbering bottom right. Now the page number is added. 3, 4, 5 and again 4. So here the number is wrong. Now let me click on page 5, which is correct. This is show hide sign. I off and then on it, then double click on the wrong number. Link to previous page has been disrupted. Select this, right click, format page number and then enhance the number to your desired. Now it's 6. So above is 5. Now we are checking that our numbering is right or wrong. Now click inside the page and you can see that the entire page numberings are in accordance to my order. Now let's check it in print preview. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and that's in order. Now let me add something more. Let's disrupt again it by adding alphabet. You can also watch it. Now each and every page is visible and the order is in accordance to my wish. Let's go again. Now let me disrupt the number. Again, I'll go to the page and double click in header footer, select it, right click and link to previous page, press no. Again, right click and format. Now let's choose ABC. Let me start it from, I don't start it from A. And now click on OK. It's J, K, L. And now you will see the upside number will be remain the same and the numbers on lower pages are in alphabetical order. I'll show you the same in print preview. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, J, K and L. This is the way how you could solve your problem.